04 Ford Focus. Short term fuel trim bank 1, perfect. Long term fuel trim bank 1 is perfect. MAP sensor, this is the sensor that's in your intake manifold, reading the vacuum pressure, okay? Manifold absolute pressure, okay? The ECT is good, but I'm going to replace the ECT because it's not responding to the temperature correctly. The issue is the probe is too short. Alright, so if you got a Ford Focus, you want to make sure you get the correct length probe before you put it in that head. Alright. Engine RPM is good. Right now, the engine is idling. I'm in the park position. Okay. The IAT is good. This is your mass airflow sensor, MAF. This is the one in the intake box. Alright. It's performing correctly. Do not use a Walker mass airflow sensor. You're going to get a lean code, which is P0172. Do not use it. Okay? I'm using one from Premium Auto Parts. I got from Amazon. It works good. TPS performance at 8%. O2 sensor bank 1. Performing good. Alright, that's the graph. It's doing its job. And that's the correct voltage here. Alright. That is the one. The first one, bank 1. Upstream. Alright. That one monitor your fuel and your air mixture. Alright. That is the main oxygen sensor. This Ford Focus got 3. Okay. Fuel pressure is good. Okay. ECU volts. Now this is the code. I left it in the memory. This is the P0128. If you bind the ECT temperature sensor for a Ford Focus, you want to make sure you get the correct sensor. You gotta be at the right length, because if the probe is too short, it's not going to sense the engine head temperature correctly. I have a standard motor product ECT in there, and it's not reading the temperature correctly. Okay, that temperature is higher than what it's reading. Okay, it's higher than what it's reading right now. Okay, so you want to make sure you get the right length probe. All right. That temperature is incorrect. 171. All right, that's that's it. Engine sensor right there. Okay, that's the ECT that sits on top of the engine cover. All right, and that probe sits down on the head. So you always gotta remember, when you take the OEM one out, that probe has to be the same length. You get one short, it's not gonna work. Okay, sharing this information for people who doesn't know. All right, so engine coolant temperature sensor. Alright. Fuel trim is still good. Bank 1, bank long term, bank 1, and short term. Alright. That's where you want your fuel trim to be. Alright. Later.